Adventure does not always require extreme risks or years of experience. Sometimes it begins with a single step beyond your comfort zone. What if the world's most exciting adventures could be enjoyed by ordinary travelers looking for excitement without facing overwhelming challenges or danger? Today, we explore incredible beginner-friendly adventure destinations where unforgettable experiences, stunning landscapes, and confidence-building journeys await around every corner. Queenstown, New Zealand. Surrounded by mountains and crystal-clear lakes, Queenstown offers the perfect balance between adventure and comfort for first-time explorers. The town welcomes travelers with activities ranging from scenic hiking trails to exciting boat rides through breathtaking landscapes. Unlike extreme adventure destinations, Queenstown allows beginners to gradually build confidence while enjoying unforgettable outdoor experiences. Every direction reveals dramatic scenery, making even a simple walk feel like an exciting journey into nature. The atmosphere remains friendly and relaxed, helping visitors try new activities without feeling intimidated or overwhelmed. For many travelers, Queenstown becomes the place where a lifelong passion for adventure truly begins. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff introduces travelers to some of the world's most spectacular mountain scenery through accessible trails and well-maintained outdoor routes. Turquoise lakes, dense forests, and snow-capped peaks create a landscape that feels almost too beautiful to be real. Wildlife sightings add excitement to every journey, with opportunities to spot elk, deer, and other animals in their natural habitat. The combination of safety, infrastructure, and stunning scenery makes exploration enjoyable even for complete beginners. Whether hiking beside a lake or driving through mountain valleys, every experience feels rewarding and unforgettable. Banff proves that adventure does not need to be extreme to leave a lasting impression on travelers. Costa Rica rainforests. Costa Rica. Costa Rica offers an ideal introduction to adventure through tropical forests filled with wildlife, waterfalls, and exciting outdoor experiences. Visitors can cross hanging bridges high above the forest floor while observing nature from unique perspectives. Gentle zipline experiences allow beginners to enjoy excitement without facing the intense challenges found in more advanced destinations. Colorful birds, monkeys, and exotic plants create a constantly changing environment full of discovery and wonder. The country's focus on ecotourism makes adventures both accessible and educational for travelers of all experience levels. Every day feels like stepping into a nature documentary filled with excitement and unforgettable moments. Lapland, Finland. Lapland transforms winter into an adventure playground where snowy landscapes stretch endlessly beneath Arctic skies. First-time adventurers can enjoy activities like snowshoeing and husky sled rides without requiring special skills or experience. The peaceful surroundings create a unique sense of exploration far removed from crowded cities and busy tourist attractions. Frozen forests and sparkling snowfields make every journey feel magical and completely different from everyday life. During clear nights, travelers may even witness colorful northern lights dancing across the sky above them. The combination of beauty, simplicity, and adventure makes Lapland unforgettable for beginners seeking something extraordinary. Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia introduces travelers to adventure through surreal landscapes shaped by millions of years of geological activity. Towering rock formations and hidden valleys create an environment that feels unlike anywhere else on Earth. Hot air balloon flights provide a thrilling yet comfortable experience as the sunrise illuminates the region below. Floating peacefully above the landscape offers breathtaking views that remain unforgettable long after the journey ends. Exploring ancient cave dwellings and winding trails adds a sense of mystery and discovery to every visit. Cappadocia proves that adventure can be both exciting and accessible without requiring physical endurance or extreme risks. Adventure is not measured by danger or difficulty, but by the willingness to explore places that inspire curiosity and wonder. Every great explorer begins somewhere, often with a journey that feels exciting yet completely achievable. These destinations prove that adventure belongs to everyone, not just experts chasing extreme challenges across the world.